Alright guys, so I'm back. It's only like for a second. Give me a second. There we go. So we have like a nature documentary, another one. Hello, Sam. So it's called Nature Documentary Meowl. What is with these weird ass memes? I don't understand. I guess it's the best way to check it out. Here we go.
Deep in the mountains, in a wild forest, far removed from human touch, today's creatures are living. The ski-bob chicken, perched in the tree, has detected the sound of a predator. As long as it remains in the tree, it will be safe from its natural predators, except Meowl. And it's today's creature, known as Meowl. This animal has the face
the cat with the
wings.
wings.
Of an owl.
That's right.
Because of its cat-like face, one might expect it to. However, this is how it cries in real life. Unlike bats, meows lay eggs, and that is why meows are classified as birds. Despite their cute appearance, these creatures are top predators in the food chain due to their unusually high intelligence for a bird. According to the Italian brain rot animal organization, Meowl's IQ is estimated to be 68.9, and evidence of such a high IQ can be found in their freestyle courtship behavior, especially in mating seasons. For male meows, engage in competition to win over a single female. The first male prepared a dance, but it's cringe.
This is the same shit as the last one.
Prepared a surprise flower, but it's cheesy. The third male impressed her with a masculine roar, but something feels off. The fourth male did nothing and was chosen by the female. Sometimes in life, doing nothing is the best option. As time passed, a new life was born between the Meowl couple, and it made the Meowl couple run away. They gave birth to a mutant, one with the face of an owl and the body of a cat.
What kind of, like... What the fuck was that? I have no words.